Hi, Gary, Broadlane, postcode here for your sat-navs B495QD, and the contact number is 01789763432. I'm going to show you around this 2022, so it's a very nearly new Swift Fairway 560, one of the Broadlane special editions, and it's based on the lightweight Swift Sprite body shell. It does come with a whole host of factory fitted extras. So it comes, for example, with ATC trailer control system, barbecue point for outdoor cooking, power on the outside, you power up something in the awning. It's even got an access locker door to the space under the lounge seats. It does come with a window in the door. Inside, it's our colourways, which we choose in conjunction with the manufacturer. 4 scatter cushions, double width closing curtains for that extra comfort in the winter months, should you wish to fully close them. Integrated night fly screen, factory installed alarm system with not one but 2 remotes. It's in lovely condition, just to add. And it also comes with, on the roof, on the outside, a 100 solar panel, 100 watt solar panel, so you can operate independent of mains electric. Kitchen area in the middle, door through to this part where you've got your loo, wash basin and shower, and at the very far end then you've got your island bed. And just to highlight how much storage space is on there, absolutely cavernous. The van's in absolutely lovely condition, and just to add, as always, we offer great part exchange and finance subject to status. If you've got any questions, please come down and visit with us, or by all means give us a call, and we'd be delighted to answer those for you. And on that note, as ever, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks very much indeed.